Everyone thinks the best-selling AC vent cleaners are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1. Pet Ode Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. The Pet Ode 2-pieces dryer vent cleaner kit priced at just $7.99. What caught my attention was its universal compatibility with most vacuum cleaners. If you want an easy way to tackle lint and dust buildup, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes a flexible brush with a wooden handle and a vacuum hose attachment with a stretch connector. That means you won't have to worry about whether it fits your vacuum. Just plug it in and start cleaning. With over 40,000 units sold this past month, it's clear that many people trust this product to help keep their dryers and vents clean. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your dryer vent is clogged, it could lead to inefficient drying and even fire hazards. Regular cleaning can help your dryer run more efficiently and safely. Now, some users did mention that the brush could be a bit too flexible for really tough clogs. Here's the thing though, if you're only addressing minor buildup, this flexibility actually helps reach those tricky spots. This is perfect for you if you want a low-cost solution that works with your existing vacuum. Skip this one if you have severe clogs that require more heavy-duty tools. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the Pet Ode's flexibility concerns you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling stubborn lint.
Product number 2. HolicMe 30 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. We have the HolicMe 30 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit, which comes in at $20. The standout feature here is its impressive 30-foot reach, allowing you to really get into those hard-to-reach areas. If you want a deep clean for your dryer vents, this one deserves your attention. What's great about this kit is that it includes a flexible lint brush and can even be used with a power drill for quicker results. This setup is especially convenient because you can easily clean out years of lint buildup, which is a major fire risk. Plus, with 10,000 units sold recently, it seems like people are finding it effective. Here's why this matters for you. Regular cleaning can prevent dryer fires, which is something no one wants to deal with. However, some users noted that the instructions could be clearer, which might be frustrating for first-time users. But you know what? Once you're familiar with it, the ease of cleaning is definitely worth that small learning curve. This is perfect for you if you have multiple vents or have never cleaned yours before. Skip this if you're looking for a quick touch-up tool. For its capabilities, it's a good buy. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something versatile.
Product number 3. ZZ Lazy Cottage Cobweb Duster with Extension Pole, priced at $14.99. I was drawn to its extendable handle and the versatility it offers for cleaning various surfaces. If you want a multi-purpose cleaning tool for your home, this is a great choice. This duster set includes a cobweb duster and a microfiber duster, both able to reach up to 100 inches high. That means you can clean ceilings and fans without the hassle of getting a ladder out. Plus, the microfiber material captures dust effectively, which is great for keeping your home fresh. Reviews are solid, with many users appreciating its lightweight and ease of use. Here's why this matters for you. Having clean vents can enhance airflow and efficiency, which translates to better air quality in your home. But not everything is perfect. Some users pointed out that the duster heads could be a bit tricky to attach and detach. Here's the thing though, once you get it down, it's a breeze to clean those hard-to-reach places. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility in your cleaning tools. Skip this one if you prefer more dedicated vent cleaning solutions. For the price, it's a solid addition to your cleaning arsenal. Now, if you're looking for something more specialized, the next product may be just what you need.
Product number 4. HolicMe 3-pieces Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit, retailing for $6.64. I really liked that it comes with multiple tools in one kit, which caught my eye. If you want a comprehensive solution for your dryer and beyond, this is a good option. This kit includes a vent duct brush, a lint trap brush, and a flexible crevice tool. The 304 stainless steel bristles are durable and can flex around tight bends, making it easy to clear out stubborn lint. With thousands sold this month, it's clear that people appreciate this practical approach to cleaning. Here's why this matters for you. This kit can be used not only for dryers, but also for cleaning refrigerator coils and even window tracks, increasing its value. However, some users mentioned that the brushes could be a bit stiff for delicate areas. But honestly, if you're dealing with heavy lint buildup, that stiffness is what you want to effectively scrape away the dirt. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-use cleaning tool that's easy to store. Skip this one if you're looking for a specialized tool only for vents. For its price, it delivers great value. Now, if you prefer something more simplistic, the last product is definitely worth a look.
Product number 5, CN1ST Fan Cleaning Brush. We have the CN1ST Fan Cleaning Brush, priced at just $6.99. What caught my attention here is its simplicity and ease of use. If you're looking for a straightforward tool to keep your vents clean, this could be exactly what you need. This 2-piece cleaning brush is designed specifically to clean fans and air conditioning vents without needing to disassemble anything. The soft and dense bristles gently remove dirt while being easy to clean afterward. With 5,000 units sold, it's clear that this product is popular for its no-fuss approach. Here's why this matters for you. Having clean vents can help improve airflow, leading to better cooling efficiency in your home. However, a few users noted that it may not reach deep into larger vents. But here's the thing. If you're just doing routine maintenance, this tool is perfect for the job. This is perfect for you if you want an inexpensive, easy-to-use cleaning brush. Skip this if you have larger, more complex vent systems. For its simplicity and effectiveness, it's a solid buy.
So, to recap, we started with the Pet Ode Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit, which is great for basic cleaning. Then the Holic Me 30 Feet Kit, which offers deep cleaning. Next, the versatile ZZ Lazy Cottage Cobweb Duster, the Holic Me 3 Pieces Kit for comprehensive cleaning, and finally, the simple yet effective CN1ST Fan Cleaning Brush. Each has its strengths, so think about your specific needs when making a choice.